What's up, sports fans? Welcome to Caribbean Focus TV Sports. I'm your host, Joel Rodriguez, bringing you the latest updates from the world of sports. From the NFL to MLB, soccer, and college basketball, we've got a jam-packed show for you today. Let's dive right in. The NFL new league year has kicked off on March 12th, and free agency started off red hot. The defending Super Bowl champions have already lost 5 key starters, including CJ shaking up the roster. Meanwhile, a shocking move with Aaron Rodgers being cut from the Jets, and the football world is buzzing about what's next for the star QB. Plus, the star wide receiver, Deebo Samuel, is headed off to Washington. But the biggest news overall is Myles Garrett just secured a massive contract extension, further cementing his place as one of the league's top defensive players. One more news nugget is that the NFL is continuing to evaluate talent across colleges' campuses, appointing pro days from campus to campus, preparing for the NFL draft next month. Stay tuned because the NFL is 365, 24/7. Baseball fans, get ready. The MLB season officially begins on March 27th. And this year, there's a big change coming to the game. The league is introducing the new strike zone radar technology to help call balls and strikes. This could be a game changer for pitchers and hitters, and umpires alike. We'll see how this impacts the season. All teams will have to adjust to this new system. One more update on baseball is that the league technically started today, March 18th, as we're filming, in Japan, with a one-game matchup with the Dodgers beating Chicago. The league a couple years ago started this, wanted to start something different, to start the league with a one-game matchup to start the whole season. It's starting to gain fan interest. We'll see where it goes. Stay tuned for more on baseball. The game of soccer has been dealing with some ugly issues across various leagues. Fans have been caught chanting discriminatory and anti-gay language during matches. In response, San Diego FC is stepping up security to identify and eject offenders. There's even talk of implementing FIFA's 3-step protocol, which would give referees the power to pause, suspend, or even end a match entirely if the behavior continues. This is a major step forward, ensuring a safe and more inclusive environment for players and fans alike. And for the biggest sport of the month, it's that time of year. March Madness is officially here. The NCAA tournament for both men's and women's basketball is heating up, starting with the conference championships. Duke and Auburn have been dominant all season, with Auburn still holding on to the #1 overall ranking. And let's talk money. An estimated $3 billion is expected to be bet on this year's tournaments. Fans are ready for the madness, and we'll be keeping an eye on all the upsets and buzzer beaters coming our way. That's a wrap for this edition of Caribbean Focus TV Sports. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. For even more sports and Caribbean Focus content, visit our website at caribbeanfocus.tv. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Stay locked in and stay focused.